This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Karen Hocutt. Your country paradise awaits. Stretch out on 4.58 acres. Tons of natural light. Open concept one-level living. The kitchen is a dream, with large island and tons of counter, cabinet and drawer space. Walk-in pantry. Laundry is a breeze in the utility room west/space for standing freezer. The primary bedroom has 2 oversized walk-in closets and gorgeous tiled shower. Tankless gas water heater. 50 amp hookup. Generator plug. Horses allowed west/covenant restrictions. This one is waiting for you to call home. For more information, review the details below.